So today I'm going to be running this CNC Spike Prime Lego printer that I've made. It is based off of the Spike Prime CNC from a lesson, but I have modified it so that it has a Z-axis here to make it go up and down, and I have added programs it to write some letters which should say Happy Father's Day. So let's jump into the video. Into our printer code here. And as you can see, it's a lot of code. So what I've done, essentially, I have made these functions like A, B, C, D, E, F, H, M, O, P, R, S, and T. And then I've also made something like a function pen up and pen down, space, and then enter. And those are all here. See, I put a multiplier in case you want to make the letter bigger or smaller. So C in this case is our motors for making the paper go up and down, which would be our y-axis. And A is our x-axis. So this function that I'm showing you right here is going to draw a D, because originally I intended for this robot to write mad. So this would be like pen down, draw H, then space A, space P, P, Y, then next line, since we don't have much space, F, A, T, H, E, R, S, and you probably are guessing where this is going to since Father's Day is coming up, and then D, A, Y. Okay, so that's pretty much the entire code. We have space, which just moves us a little bit on the x-axis to the right. Then we have enter, and that just moves us down a little bit. And as well as resetting our x-axis. So that is our code. So what I've done here is I have fed my paper through like you would on the normal Spike Prime CNC. And I have put my pen in my pen holder here. And then I will switch the code to 0. And I will run. And it will supposedly write Happy Father's Day on this paper. It is not an incredibly reliable machine. Well, it actually is, but it is writing an old design. I've scrapped many designs to get this one to work. Now it's writing day. And now you stop the program. You can lift the pen. Usually you just lift up the paper and lift up your carriage or the entire system. Take it out. And we have Happy Father's Day. Woohoo! It actually wrote something.